Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without link. So first things first, open the Telegram app on your device and once the app is open, create a new channel and once that's done, open the channel and then click on the name at the top to open the settings. Now in the settings menu, find the invite link and then click on it. Now from the options that appear, choose copy link. This will copy the invite link to your clipboard. After copying the invite link, exit the Telegram app. Now open any web browser on your device and then paste the copied invite link into the browser's address bar. Now, here what you have to do is modify the link. Remove the part of the link that comes after the initial portion and then add the name of specific group that you want to access at the end of URL. Once you have made the modification, press enter again. Now, this modified link will now allow you to access the group without needing a new invitation link. After pressing enter, you will see an option to open the link in the Telegram app, and now you will see the group on your screen. So, click on join at the bottom, and with that, you have successfully accessed the group without needing an invite link.